In the Saudi capital, Riyadh, during its participation in the mining conference, Waterflow, Tadafuq Al-Miah company, took part with a presence that reflected its solid practical expertise in the fields of water treatment and environmental solutions, tailored to the industrial and mining sectors. The participation was attended by representatives of the company's senior management, led by the chairman of the board, Mr. Mohammed Al-Farjani. Where the company's technical and investment directions were presented, the discussions highlighted practical, engineering-based solutions designed to meet the requirements of industrial and mining projects, in line with international operational standards. As part of this participation, a working meeting was held with Jordan Phosphate Mines Company, one of the leading mining companies that has played a pivotal role in driving a qualitative transformation in the Jordanian national economy by advancing mining operations into value-added industries. These achievements have been realized under the leadership of Dr. Mohammed Zinaibat, chairman of the board, and Mr. Abdul Wahab Al-Rawad, chief executive officer, whose strategic vision and continuous support for both management and technical teams have enabled the company to achieve sustained economic success in the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. During the meeting, several operational and technical challenges related to the mining sector were discussed. The dialogue focused on practical solutions and
لما بدأ التشغيل ما في تشغيل قعدوا 5 سنين وهم مش قادرين يشغلوا
aimed at enhancing operational efficiency and sustainability. The meeting concluded with a shared emphasis that the discussions were constructive and results-oriented, representing an advanced step toward developing future cooperation based on the integration of technical and engineering expertise.
الشغله الثانيه مع المهندس علي خلينا نشوف اذا كان يكون عندنا وحده معالجه دفن وصايع in the shop.
Expand the scope of sustainable solutions into neighboring regional markets, contributing to innovation and the implementation of best operational practices.